Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the mouse pointer in Windows 11 control panel. For this, first click on this one start button and then type a control, and in the search results click on this one control panel entry. This will open control panel on your Windows 11 PC. Now select view Y to category and then click on ease of access. Then click on change how your mouse works. Now under mouse pointers you can select a color and size of the mouse pointer of your choice and then click on this one apply button. Then click on this one OK button. Now mouse pointer will be changed on your Windows 11 PC.